Okay, so I'm gonna kind of talk to you guys about growing your team. Um, Now, Agnes and Dora isn't currently an MLM or a direct sales company. I don't know if it ever will be. Um, it just it is its own category. I guess I don't know what you would really call it or consider it. We do have the capability to actually grow a team, though. Um, we do get compensated in the form of credit towards our inventory that we use in our own businesses to sell. So it increases the profit margin, of course, then by having a team. You get paid on your first three levels. It's 5%. I believe then it's 2% on your second level and then 1%. And that is on the personal orders that those reps are making in cash. So if they're earning credits, it's anything spent out of pocket that you're earning that percentage on. Um, so hopefully that makes sense. But as far as like if you are wanting to grow a team, I think it's definitely not for everybody, but if it's something that you want to take on, and supporting other individuals, then it does increase, like I said, your profit margin, and it is very valuable. So, I mean, I've grown my team now to where I basically get almost, I mean, between 80 and 100% of my inventory every single month for free. So it definitely has its perks, but then of course you're compensated then to help and support those individuals. So um, one of the ways that I find people to join my team, I guess, is I utilize YouTube. I have put out some videos that gives information on what Agnes and Dora is, how to join, um, and that has um, been beneficial in the beginning. Now, what I have been kind of focusing more of my time on is utilizing my website that I already have, as well as my group page. So on my website, you know, that we can customize, I have be, or not, excuse me, sorry, not be a VIP, join. So if anybody were to be on my page and see, oh, join, well, what does join mean? Or maybe I do want to join. They do already know what it means. It says join our team, Dora Dolls. So my little group of girls, I call us the Dora Dolls. This basically will go through a bunch of frequently asked questions about running your Agnes and Dora business to see if they are interested. At the bottom it says, let's do this. So if they want to hop on the wait list or join Agnes and Dora, they would just fill out this information. I also have on my group page, I have created another group, but on my actual shopping group page, I have linked it as a recommended group by the admin. And I believe once your group reaches a certain size is when you can have this option. It might roll out where it's anybody, but not everybody has it. So I don't know if it's because they haven't gotten the update or if it's based on group size. But I have a Be a Rep group that is just linked at the top. So any customer that just happens to be hanging around on my page and scrolling around looking, they might stumble upon this and they might be interested in them. Click on it to join. So within my Be a Rep group, it basically has that same information. Frequently asked questions. So the questions that I have posted on this page, I have duplicated and put into my group. And then this is a place where I can interact with them and answer some of their questions. I can go live in there sometime and do it. I give them a direct link to join. And then I do have behind the scenes, you know, what you get as far as training and stuff, if you do decide to, a little bio about me, and I'm going to have some other testimonials in there. And then informational videos. Now, some of these are dated, but I do have some videos that I put out on YouTube, the ones that I was kind of telling you about. And and then of course a group picture from one of our events. So it's very basic, but it allows me to kind of have a more personal one-on-one interaction and answer some questions for these reps, or interested reps, I should say. And they're both great ways, my group page, for them to stumble that. If you don't put the idea and plant that seed for your customers, they won't know that it's available. So I don't really recruit. I don't really talk about it. I don't really say join my team. I just put it in a spot where they, if they're interested, can find it. Because it definitely takes a certain person to do Agnes and Dora successfully. So I'm not looking for anybody. I'm looking for somebody who wants to build a business. So those people will find those buttons, both here and on my group page. So that's just one of the ways that I plant a seed for growing a team. So if you're up for that challenge and you are ready to go, I would suggest doing something very similar to those. As far as like the Be a Rep group, what I would recommend is when they join the Be a Rep, I have set up some questions for them to answer before I accept their join request. And it would be, there it is, right here. So are you working with another rep currently? I want to make sure that they're not working with anybody because, one, I don't want to take anybody from anybody, and two, I don't want my time to go to waste. I don't want to help somebody or help answer a million questions for somebody and then they just go and join somebody else anyways. My time's valuable, your time's valuable, and that it would just be a waste of time. So I want to make sure that they're not working with anybody first. Are you interested in the Agnes and Dora, or why are you interested in the Agnes and Dora business? I kind of want to know what their driving factor is and why they want to. And then are you afraid of a little hard work? I don't, like I said, I don't want just anybody. I want somebody who's not afraid to get to work. I mean, this is a business. This is a big girl business. So more so than I would have imagined when I got started. And I just want to make sure that people are up for that challenge. So I would make sure that you ask questions and you are screening these people. I have had reps try to join this group, and I don't want anybody or any reps to be in here. Not because I'm hiding anything, but because I don't want them to, I won't sugarcoat it. They're shady reps. I don't want any shady reps coming in there and stealing all my members and, contacting my potential. I mean, this is just a safe place for them to come and get information. And there's really no need to be in there because you're looking at what's in there. It's really basic. So there's just no need to have a rep in there. And so I would recommend just screening and making sure that those people that are joining aren't actually reps as well. So good luck in growing your team.